Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Amplify Ambient Sound. And this basically allows you to hear distant sounds clearly, and it will help you to focus on conversation even when you're in somewhere noise. And I'm going to show you how to enable the shortcut for this so that you can use this feature. So you want to find your settings on your phone, guys, and once you're there you want to look for accessibility and you want to click on hearing enhancements. Now, once you're here, you'll find the Amplify Ambient Sound option there. Click on that. And from here, you can easily enable the shortcut. So you will need to have the shortcut on your phone as well. So once you enable this feature, you will have the option to tap accessibility button and click on OK. And basically, you will see the shortcut on the lower right hand side of your screen. And this is the little person there that is there. So whenever you want to use this, you just need to tap on it and you will have the option to use it. So as you can see, it says speak keyboard input allowed is off, and you can go ahead and you can enable this. So you can go ahead and you can edit the shortcut to whatever you want. You can go ahead and make the changes here, guys, and you can always go ahead and turn it on or off, right? So that's how you easily go ahead and turn this on, guys. Now you see that you can even tap on it and go into the features more, and you can always come back and customize it as you wish. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.